A Landslide by Riley O., Danielle Q.
Vocabulary: Dolge, a severe flood, uplift, vertical elevation of the Earth's surface in response to natural causes, soil liquefaction, lose strength and stiffness in response to an applied stress area, sudden changes in stress condition make it behave like a liquid. Avalanche, a mass of snow, ice, and rock falling rapidly down a mountainside. Scree, a mass of small loose stones that form or cover a slope on a mountain. Additional words: vegetation, deforestation, debris, slope, and erosion.
Wow, Riley, what a landslide we just saw.
I know, that was mega weird.
Well, what is a landslide?
A landslide is a movement of rock that goes down the slope of the earth, resulting in the failure of materials, and it drives the force and gravity to slide the rock down the mountain or cliff.
The physics behind a landslide?
Yes, I do. A landslide is a geology process in which gravity causes rock, soil, artificial fill, or a combination of the three to move down a slope. Several things can trigger landslides, including the slow weathering of rocks as well as soil erosion, earthquakes, and volcanic activity.
Wow, what was the chance of that happening?
Landslides are not actually predictable. They happen depending on the weather.
Really? Can you explain it a little bit more?
Well, they usually happen where water is melting, found on top of a
I
hill.
don't know how to categorize a landslide and the intensity of them.
Well, a landslide is categorized in geological hazards, natural disasters, and mega disasters. Here's a graph to show the intensity.
Did you know there were many causes of a landslide?
Really?
Yes. Some of them are weaker sensitive materials, also called soil liquefaction, weathered materials, or stiffness of materials, and tectonic or volcanic uplifts.
Well, there's also vegetation removal from fire or drought, freezing and thawing of weathering materials, deforestation, like our picture behind us, irrigation, mining, water leakage from utilities like the sink, screech, well that is loose rocks falling from the top of a mountain.
So how do humans influence a landslide?
They influence in many ways, such as removal of vegetation, leaking pipes such as water and sewer, modification of slopes by construction of roads, railroads, and buildings, overloading slopes, mining activities, vibrations of heavy traffic, blasting, displacement of rocks, etc.
It is important for engineers and geologists to evaluate slope stability and any landslide threat during development so that they are efficiently unstable. So how do landslides have an impact on the environment?
The top of our surface get affected, the quantity of rivers and streams, because if there's too much water, it can create a flood called a dolge. The habitat of natural life on Earth that's existing, like rivers, lakes, ocean, and animals, even us. Large amount of materials enter a stream, and this creates erosion, and that's not good. Also, a lot of destruction of houses and people. Landslides hurt the society and the community.
Yeah! Tourists stop visiting because of fear of landslides. Community has to pay to build roads, streets, hills. People's death impacted the community. It took the beauty of the community. Stores had to rebuild. People get out of jobs for loss of store and economy goes down.
Oh, it's coming! What do we do?
Oh no! I got this! We need to be conscious of landslides and debris flowing risk. Make a disaster supply kit and have our family plan. Follow proper land use procedures. Avoid building near steep slopes close to mountain edges and near damaged drainage. Away from along natural erosion valleys. Become familiar with the land around you.
My historical event happened April 19, 2013, and it occurred in St. Christophe and Onesians in France.
Landslide occurred. It occurred March 25th, 2014. The world's largest landslide in history. It lost 25 lives. It was in Washington, Ozone.
Tuesday, December 30th, 2014. There was 29 people dead, 10 people missing in the Philippines, including areas from last year's typhoon.
Wrap up landslides.
A landslide is a movement of rock debris or flowing down a slope. Landslides are not predictable. They occur depending on the weather. It also affects the environment, society, and humans. Also, watch
These
the
are so
weather.
Study this.
Bill and I!
Bill.